creating content on YouTube is a very good way for you to make money as a content creator. So if you have been thinking or you have been wondering how do people make money on YouTube, then I welcome you to this video, because in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can make money from YouTube. And it doesn't matter whether you are a small channel or you are a huge channel or you are just starting today. It doesn't matter. All of those things don't matter. Once you meet the criteria, you can make money for yourself using these 3 methods. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself. So if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, kindly touch the notification bell. All right, smash the notification bell. What that means is that you are supporting what we do on this channel. All right, also I have a Telegram group where I drop information about making money online, about tips, about guides, and other things that you can get from me. All right, I'm going to talk about that later at the end of this video, so make sure you don't skip anything. Make sure you watch this to the end. All right, so let's go straight into the 3 ways to make money from YouTube. Number 1 on my list is brand collaboration. Very important. Brand collaboration. Brand collaboration involves partnering with companies to promote their products or services in your videos. This is very clear and simple. These companies pay you to create content that align with their brand, reaching your audience effectively. All right, if your content is good enough and your content is attracting subscribers and views, and your content is valuable, sometimes you can get brands reaching out to you asking for your collaboration. All right, asking you to create content on their behalf to promote their business. So this is another good way for you to make money from video content creation from your YouTube channel. For example, sometimes I've gotten brands reaching out to me to want a partnership with me to create videos concerning their products. All right, and they pay me in return. This is a very good way for you to make money if you know how to create value on YouTube. All right, that is number 1. Now, it is very important that you stick to one niche if you are starting out. This is a very important tip that you should keep in mind when you're starting out. If you are a beginner YouTube content creator, if you're just starting out, make sure that you stick to one niche. One of the reasons why a lot of people struggle to grow their subscribers on YouTube, to get brand collaboration, is because your content is in different directions. Today you're talking about health, tomorrow you're talking about football, next tomorrow you're talking about food, next tomorrow you're talking about religion. So it makes your audience confused, and the algorithm of YouTube may not even understand what you are doing. Are you getting now? So it's important that you keep your content, niche based, focused on one niche when you're starting out. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, ad revenue. That's another way for you to make money from YouTube as a content creator. Ad revenue comes from the ads that play before, during, or after your videos. I believe that if you're watching YouTube videos, if you're somebody who watches videos on YouTube, you are going to definitely watch some ads. All right, you're going to see some ads displaying maybe from the beginning of the video, or in the middle of the video, or somewhere at the end of the video. That is very important. That's a very good way for people to make money, for you to make money. Now, those ads that you see playing on that video you want to watch, somebody is getting paid for that ad. Are you getting now? This income is generated through YouTube's partner program, where you earn a share of the revenue from these ads. Now, it is also important that before you can earn ad revenue, it's important that you have grown your channel to a level, to YouTube's threshold. All right, YouTube's threshold. What that means is that you need 1,000, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. All right, this is a very important tip to keep in mind. However, it doesn't mean that if you have not monetized, if you have not monetized your channel, you cannot make money. There are different ways for you to make money, even if you have not been monetized, even if you are a small channel, even if you have not gotten 1,000 subscribers. All right. If you want to learn about that, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. Drop a comment and I'm going to send you a reply. All right. If you want to learn how you can make money from YouTube, even without without being monetized, there are different ways to do it. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3 is sales of product and services. This is very, very easy to understand. This is a method that involves using a YouTube channel to promote and sell your product or services. This can be used by affiliates, or maybe you are a product creator, right? You can go to YouTube, create your videos, and while your videos are playing, you can talk about your product. For example, I created an e-guide, a simple guide that is going to show you step by step all the things you need to keep in mind, all the things you need to put in place for you to start making money on YouTube. I talked about it in my little guide. All right, if you want to get it, go to the link in the description. I'll drop it for you there in the link, so you just click on it and get through. Okay, so you can sell products and services using YouTube. Okay, that's a very smart way for you to make money from YouTube. This could be physical product, this could be digital product like ebooks, like courses or services, or even your coaching and your consulting. Very, very good way for you to make money on YouTube. So these are the 3 ways for you to make money on YouTube. I believe that you have learned something from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video. Make sure you also click the notification bell so that when I post new content, you are going to be notified that I have shared another new post. So before I go, let me just drop this quick information. If you want to learn how to make money online, or you want to learn how to create a YouTube channel that can pay you, you want someone that can hold you by the hand, show you step by step how you can start a YouTube channel and grow it and make money from it, or you want to learn how to make money from affiliate marketing, just go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop all the important links for you in the description. Do well to check all of these things, and once you click on it, I'm going to see you inside. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Enjoy.